Good evening and welcome to the 2020 Purdue School of Industrial Engineering Award Ceremony. I'm Abhi Deshmukh, the James J. Solberg Head and Tompkins Chair of Systems in the School of Industrial Engineering. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate what makes our school an extraordinary place, our people. Our bright and hardworking students, the pride and joy and the raison d'etre for our school, who have risen to the challenge and proven that nothing, not even a pandemic, can stop them in their pursuit of knowledge. Second, our dedicated faculty and staff, the heart and soul of the school, who spend countless hours with our students to create a world-class industrial engineering experience. On behalf of our students, I want to thank you for all your incredible efforts, especially this year. And our generous and loyal alumni and friends, who embody the true Boilermaker spirits. We could never achieve great things without your support. On behalf of all of us, thank you. We look forward to hearing from some of you this evening. And finally, the parents and family members who have undoubtedly sacrificed so that their loved ones can receive an industrial engineering degree from Purdue. Without you, your students would not be here today. While we regret not seeing you in person, we are pleased we can get together virtually to celebrate the members of IE family who have been recognized for their excellence over the course of the past year. Now let me introduce Dr. Patrick Brunesi, also known as Doc P, the director of our IE academic programs, to introduce the award recipients. Pat?
Thanks, Abhi. It is my great pleasure to announce the awards this year, starting with the faculty. Each year, we recognize some of our faculty members for their outstanding talents in teaching and mentoring in both our undergraduate and graduate programs. For the graduate program, we have the James H. Green Outstanding Graduate Educator Award. For this award, outstanding graduate education is interpreted in the broadest sense to include, but not limited to, classroom teaching, academic advising, research supervision, and student mentoring. This award is determined by a vote of our graduate students. This year, there is a tie for second place, Mario Ventresca and Susan Hunter. The winner is Sukshan Lee. Professor Lee, congratulations. From the undergraduate program, we have the A. Alan B. Pritzker Outstanding Undergraduate Teaching Award. Alan Pritzker was a Purdue IE faculty member that made tremendous contributions to the field of industrial engineering, yet considered teaching students his highest calling. This award is determined by a vote of our undergraduate students. This year's second place was also a tie between Zach Haas and Susan Hunter, and the winner was Mario Ventresca. Professor Ventresca, congratulations. I'm excited to present the School of Industrial Engineering Outstanding Staff Award to recognize the hard work and dedication of staff members in our school. This is an annual award that has a formal nomination process and is voted on by IE faculty, staff, and student leaders. In the School of Industrial Engineering, we have a great staff, and they are not only co-workers, they're a family. The staff award this year was a unanimous decision based on all of the hard work this individual put into making sure that the Industrial Engineering School kept working through the pandemic and beyond. This year, the staff award goes to Lindsay Sellers. And now to the scholarships and fellowships. Students, as we honor you, please have your designee hand you your certificate and take pictures of you and your supporters. Please post your image to your favorite social media platform and tag the school per the instructions in your packet. We would enjoy seeing you and the special people in your life. We will start with our graduate fellowships.
My name is Ted Williams, Jr. I'm the eldest son of Dr. Theodore J. and Isabel Williams. My wife Sherry and I appreciate the opportunity to make this short presentation regarding the Dr. Theodore J. and Isabel Williams Fellowship in Industrial Engineering. Purdue has always been a very special place to our family. Not only was it a special place to my mother and father, but Sherry and I met at Purdue. We established the fellowship to honor and remember both my father and mother's love for Purdue and its students. Our financial investment in their name is to recognize the importance of continuing the learning and creativity, which are the hallmarks of Purdue and its students, all of which meant so much to both of our parents. A combat veteran of World War II, my father retired in 1994 as Professor Emeritus of Engineering and Director Emeritus of the Purdue Laboratory for Applied Industrial Control. I would encourage each of you to read his resume, as his accomplishments are numerous. History recognizes his pioneering contributions to the development and promotion of the field of industrial automation, and particularly the use of digital computers as a medium for accomplishing this technology. We see the manifestation of those contributions in the daily lives of each of us, where computer technology has become such an important part. We miss their love and guidance every day. We know, though, that each would take a great deal of pride in the accomplishments of those students who have benefited and those that will benefit in the future from the fellowship. Again, thank you for this opportunity. Our love and gratitude remains forever to Purdue and its importance in our lives. Hail Purdue!
The Dr. Theodore J. and Isabel M. Williams Fellowship in Industrial Control Systems, Gaojian Huang, Burla Andis, Anirudh Shankar, Naveen Madapana.
60 years ago this fall, I entered Purdue as a freshman, concerned that I didn't have the financial resources to complete a full-time degree. Fortunately, thanks to a scholarship that I received, plus some part-time jobs, I was able to graduate on time with a BSIE and no debt. The impact on my life of that scholarship, combined with the respect and appreciation I have for Purdue, is what inspired me to create my own Industrial Engineering Scholarship Endowment. I congratulate the winners of this year's awards, and I hope that you will soon be in a position to help other students pursue their dreams. Hail Purdue!
Lee A. Chaden Fellowship in Industrial Engineering, Medley Motlag, Nade Liang, Marina Sala de Medeiros, Hamid Asadi.
Hello, Industrial Engineering faculty, students, and parents. The Dr. Rohan and Mrs. Merle Phillips Industrial Engineering Graduate Fellowship honors Dr. Joseph Elgomayer, former professor of industrial engineering who was my graduate student advisor for both master's and doctoral degrees. He was a highly respected teacher, a great mentor, and a wonderful person overall. We believe that this fellowship is a fitting tribute to honor the memory of Dr. Elgomayer, an individual who dedicated himself to the service of his alma mater and his students in industrial engineering. Thank you.
Dr. Rohan and Mrs. Merle Phillips Graduate Fellowship in honor of Dr. Joseph Elgomayer. Benham Sadri. And now the undergraduate scholarships. We will kick off with the James Barney Endowed Scholarship for Industrial Engineering.
Hi, my name is Joe Maloff, and I'm of the class of 1972. And I'm here to talk about the Barney Scholarships. Professor James Barney was associated with the School of Industrial Engineering for over 50 years. And prior to his retirement, we did a fundraising drive across all classes that he came in contact with and raised $1 million in scholarship funds. Participation was broad. And why was this? Certainly he touched many students, but the thing that stands out to me is how he developed a one-on-one relationship with the people that came into his office. He put other things aside and really focused on you, the student. And when he did that, it was to help you accomplish what you wanted to accomplish, not to be the policeman with roadblocks to tell you policies that couldn't be violated. He was very helpful, and I think that's why students participated. If you win a Barney Scholarship, I congratulate you on it, and I ask you to consider making sure you develop that one-on-one relationship with a faculty member, which I think is so important to what Purdue does, despite its size and the great number of students I think you'll benefit from it as many of us did. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Getty, Dr. James Barroney's daughter. The James Barroney Endowment and Scholarship is important because it focuses on students and provides valuable financial support to undergraduates. My dad always put students first because he strongly believed that students are the most important part of Purdue's Industrial Engineering program, and their success, your success, is what makes this university great. Congratulations to all of the recipients.
The James Barroney Endowed Scholarship for Industrial Engineering. Hannah Ballard, Elise Duffy, Sophie Fanuc, Rachel Feinberg, Renee Gowick, Andrew Gray, Grace Kraus, Michelle Miramontes, Madeline Reel, Claire Sale, Emily Severson, Jacob Urbanik, Zaina L. Demirdash, Allison Hanlon. The Riddell Reed Jr. Memorial Scholarship, William Rasmussen. James Farlander Family Scholarship in Industrial Engineering, Bethany Langetcher.
Good evening. I'm Bob Swinehart and the person responsible for the Emerson Scholarship. At the time of the award, I was working for Emerson as a division president, and I became aware that Emerson was supporting a number of colleges and universities, but at the time was not giving money to Purdue. So armed with a listing that showed that over 300 employees of Emerson were Purdue graduates, I made the pitch for them funding an industrial engineering scholarship. And when they started looking at the data, they decided to not only fund an industrial engineering scholarship, but also one for electrical engineering and the Krannert School as they hire from all three. So for all you future engineers, I think this is a good example of how some facts and data and analysis can get the job done for you. And I'm happy that it worked out the way it did, and congratulations to this year's recipient.
The Emerson Scholarship in Industrial Engineering, Christine Wong, Emily Wilmson. Edward and Clara Diggering Education Trust Scholarship, Christine Wong. Thomas Porter Industrial Engineering Scholarship, Priyanka Salunke.
Hello, I'm Carlos Moreno.
I am Gabriela Montenegro.
And our gratitude goes out to Purdue Industrial Engineering for providing the finest education. And we hope others know that we believe in them and that we believe in their abilities. So go Boilers.
Carlos Moreno and Gabriela Montenegro Scholarship, Tyler Lamar. Yosef Elgamayel Scholarship, Tyler Lamar. Joyce and Robert Schreifer Memorial Scholarship, John Dorr, Tyler McDonough.
Hello, my name is Roger Bain, and I'm a 1982 graduate from Purdue University from the School of Materials Engineering. I established the L. Stephen Bain Memorial Scholarship in honor of my brother, who was a 1981 graduate from Purdue from the School of Industrial Engineering. He passed away in 2005. After the L. Stephen Bain Memorial Scholarship was awarded in 2020, I increased its size and revised the focus to give preference to African American students. My hope is that I can not only provide financial support to the scholarship awardees, but also develop a personal and professional relationship with them, helping them sort through internships, full-time job opportunities, as well as potentially graduate school. I'm a father of 6 children, all but one of who've already graduated college, and I'm hoping I can help the scholarship recipients the same way I've helped my 5 sons and my daughter. Go Purdue.
L. Stephen Bain Memorial Scholarship. Anthony Jacobs. Melvin E. Guthrie Jr. Scholarship. Jeffrey Finucane. Allison Gallitz. Lucy Gleason. Lauren Heiss. Megan Lyons. Eleni Petrados. Madeline Reel. Alexandra Saros.
Today we honor the John A. Ritchie Memorial Scholarship Fund and congratulate the students who have received awards from it. John Ritchie grew up in rural Indiana, received his first degree from Purdue, served in the U.S. Navy, worked in manufacturing, and returned to Purdue in the early 1950s to serve as professor of industrial engineering. He dedicated his life to education and helping students, and we, his daughters, are proud to support his legacy.
John Ritchie Memorial Scholarship. Dylan Dirks. Ross Dobkin Memorial Scholarship. Maheen Mane. Charles and Susan Armstrong Scholarship. Kaylee Ecker. Emma Hunt.
Hello, I'm Tom Sparrow, and I'm the guy, oddly enough, that gave the Tom Sparrow Scholarship. I want to congratulate the current recipient. It's good to see that you rise above, and that's an important ingredient of success to start your life out that way. I wish you well, and come back and see us in 50 years. Bye-bye.
Thomas Sparrow Scholarship in Industrial Engineering. Elena Almendares Calix. Deep Mehta. Kaiser Aluminum Scholarship. Molly Clark. Brendan Drinkard McFarland. Elise Duffy. Najma Jaha. Samuel Partapilo. Eleni Petrados.
Hello, my name is Tom Friel, and I received my BS in Industrial Engineering at Purdue in June of 1969, 50 years ago last year. Over the last 50 years, I've worked and traveled all over the world, and these experiences have greatly enriched my life and that of my family. As a result of those experiences, I'm delighted and proud to be a supporter of the Global Experience Program. Once you can again, I urge all of you to see as much of the world as you possibly can. I congratulate all the award winners, and I wish all of you the very best. Thanks.
Industrial Engineering Global Experience Fund. Rachel Feinberg. Jeffrey Finucane. Ian Hammersmith. Kenneth Klimek. Hadley Naus. Jose Carlos Miñana, Danielle Moraes Pinheiro Renault, Miguel Perez, Lawrence Strenger, Kunal Thakur, Vijay Venugopal, Xiao Chad Wang, Ray Wu, John Kluchin Scholarship for Industrial Engineering, Claire Brennan, Caleb Dunn, Eric Flanningam, Andrew Gray, Catherine Nickel, Haley Nitschke, Samuel Partapilo, Brendan Proudfoot, Anish Singh.
Hello, our fellow Boilermakers. I'm Patty Poppy. This is my husband, Eric Poppy, and we support the Industrial Engineering School at Purdue because it opened doors for prosperity for myself, for my daughter, and we know that it opens doors for future generations. And so with that, there's only one thing that we can say.
Boiler up!
Eric and Patricia Poppy Scholarship. Andrea Gibson Duperry. Jack Posey Scholarship in Industrial Engineering. Rachel Feinberg. William and Barbara Rollins Scholarship. Jordan Brame. Katie Potler. Chengyuan Yang.
Hi, I'm Dennis Clark, a 1972 Purdue Industrial Engineering graduate. In 2004, my wife and I, Ellen, initiated our endowed scholarship in industrial engineering. My Purdue education has resulted in us having many memorable experiences, both from a career and a personal standpoint, and now enjoying a very happy retirement. We congratulate all of tonight's awards recipients. Stay safe and boiler up.
Dennis M. and Ellen A. Clark Scholarship in Industrial Engineering. Samuel Gentry. David Wunsch Memorial Scholarship. Elise Duffy. Winston C. Lister Scholarship in Industrial Engineering. Rishav Ghosh. Renee Goick, Jace Newell, Ratan Sangvi, Ekin Varder.
Hi, I'm Joe DeWinter, and I'm very proud to be a member of the Purdue Industrial Engineering family. I grew up in Lafayette, Indiana, and I've spent most of my work years in the product planning, development, and marketing of information systems and computers. I've always wanted to do something to give back to Purdue, and the endowment seemed like a great way to do it. The endowment allows me to help the School of Industrial Engineering by supporting you, our students. You're our future, so good luck to you and go Boilers.
Joseph R. DeWenter Endowed Scholarship for Industrial Engineering. Emma Hunt. Samuel Nunez.
Hi, my name is Jerry Weinstein. I was a graduate student at Purdue Industrial Engineering from 1966 to 1970. I found that experience so worthwhile, enriching, and enjoyable that I decided to create this scholarship to make that opportunity available to others. Best wishes to all the scholarship recipients.
Jeremy S. and Edith B. Weinstein Scholarship in Industrial Engineering. Grace Kraus. Shangjing Tang. Yuhang Zhang. Adele and Susan Zachariah Scholarship. Andrea Gibson Duperry.
Hearty congratulations to our alma mater, IE School at Purdue, for its stellar performance in the rankings. No need to say, it makes us very proud and humble as alumni of this great institution. I came to Purdue 45 years ago on a Government of India scholarship for study abroad to pursue my dream of higher studies. Purdue, in an international, intercultural atmosphere, not only created that opportunity for me, but also paved the way for a very successful corporate career. Hence, it sowed the seed of thought in our mind to set up this Purdue IE, Parvati Parasuram Scholarship, so that similarly aspiring students with great merit can be supported with means to pursue their dream of interdisciplinary studies. I hope in the last 15 years we have achieved some success with this initiative. My best wishes to all the meritorious students of IE School for a grand success in their studies and career. Stay focused and stay hungry for learning lifelong. All the best.
Parvati and Parasuram Scholarship for Industrial Engineering. Justin Zomers. Persistent Bulldog Memorial Scholarship. William Rasmussen. Kyle Ross.
Good evening. I'm Bob Swinehart. My wife Cheryl and I funded the Robert and Cheryl Swinehart Scholarship in Industrial Engineering for an Indiana resident. We thought this was the best way we could help both a resident of Indiana and Purdue University. Congratulations to this evening's winner.
Robert and Cheryl Swinehart Scholarship. Mitchell Heiston. Cynthia A. Niekamp Scholarship. Parthna Kamka. Emily Wilmson. Bob and Ellie Shadley Scholarship. Kaylee Ecker. Nathan Mueller.
My father, Robert Savage, was an engineer at General Motors for 45 years. He always thought that Purdue was the premier engineering school, and it seemed appropriate that his name be associated with the scholarship. For each of the past 25 years, I've looked forward to visiting Grissom to speak with IE students. Meeting with these incredible individuals, like all of you here this evening, is the highlight of my year. I wish that all IE alumni could share my experiences in hearing about your impressive accomplishments as engineers and leaders. I'm so proud of our IE program, and I congratulate each of you.
Robert E. Savage Scholarship. Kelly's Behringer. Deep Mehta. Katie Potler. Emily Severson. Christine Wang. The Harold T. Amrine Award in Industrial Engineering is our Outstanding Undergraduate IE Student Award. It is presented each year to the senior that best portrays both outstanding leadership and academic achievement. Harold was a consummate professional, best known for his work in and writing about manufacturing, organization, and management, and was a great representative of industrial engineering and served as the first head of the School of IE.
Hello, I'm Dr. Jim Evans, a retired business professor from the University of Cincinnati. My years at Purdue were among the best in my life. In 1971, I was honored to be the first recipient of the H.T. Amrine Award, and I subsequently established an endowment to keep that award going and to honor Harold's outstanding legacy and contributions to the IE program. So I congratulate this year's recipient. Good luck in your career, and boiler up.
For her great achievements and leadership, we are pleased to present this year's plaque to Calise Behringer. Callie, a senior in IE, is an outstanding student in and out of the classroom, embodying both strong leadership and academic achievement during her time at Purdue. She's among the top students in the School of Industrial Engineering in terms of her leadership, scholarship, and dedication to the profession. Callie has sought a variety of opportunities that have contributed to her personal and professional development, including undergraduate research, numerous internships, and involvement with IISC, where she currently serves as president. Callie is certainly a deserving recipient of the Amrine Award. Congratulations, Callie.
Wow, thank you so much. I guess, yeah, there's been so many people that have helped me become the person I am today, so it's definitely all of them receiving the award as well. But thank you. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm very honored, very humbled. I feel like I don't deserve it, but thank you. Wow.
Students are, of course, at the heart of everything we do in industrial engineering at Purdue. We would like to ask one of our scholarship winners to share a few words with us today. Nathan Mueller is a senior in industrial engineering and an excellent representative for the school. During his time in IE and at Purdue, Nathan has been involved and participating in undergraduate research, the marching band, and various other volunteer activities. He's a leader within his fraternity, Tau Beta Sigma, and the managing director of Purdue Think, which started in the School of Industrial Engineering. Nathan is a true Boilermaker. He's innovative, forward-thinking, and always been one who strives to develop skills that align with his passion and for the greater good of the community. And now, Nathan.
Hello, everyone. I'm honored to represent the bright students and who, with the faculty and alumni, have made this the #2 industrial engineering undergraduate program in the country. I hope you've been enjoying this event, this time from the comfort of your own home. I still had to put on a suit for this, but I hope there are some of you out there enjoying this event in your sweatpants. Each of us has our own Purdue story, and mine began my senior year of high school when a family friend offered to schedule a meeting with Dr. Deschmuck. I walked into that meeting having no idea what industrial engineering was, only that people refer to it as imaginary engineering. Dr. Deschmuck assured me, when I hear that, I tell people, imagine me as your boss. Needless to say, I walked out knowing exactly what I wanted my major to be. Once I arrived at Purdue, I was determined to get involved with the IE department as soon as possible. Morgan Curlia directed me to a new student organization called Purdue Think, a professional organization whose founding members were IEs. Being able to apply my IE problem-solving skills to issues on campus sounded like a fantastic opportunity, and I have continued to be involved with Purdue Think since my first semester. However, the IE department wasn't done with me yet, and in 2019, I had the pleasure of conducting research with Dr. Sarah McComb on analyzing effective team communication. As I begin my last year at Purdue, I am incredibly thankful for the multitude of opportunities the School of Industrial Engineering has provided me to develop myself professionally and personally. And I guarantee you that each student and alum here today has benefited from the positive environment created by the phenomenal faculty and staff of our department. Thank you to the donors who continue to support students like me in our academic pursuits, and I hope that my peers and I can continue the tradition of excellence that you all embody today. Boiler up, hammer down, and hail Purdue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chen Yuanyang. I'm glad and feel honored to be awarded the 2020 to 2021 William and Barbara Rowling Scholarship. I really appreciate your support for the scholarship and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Carlos Moreno and Mrs. Gabriela Montenegro, and Dr. Adele and Mrs. Susan Zacharia. I thank you so much for your generous support and scholarship. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chad, and I've been awarded a scholarship from the Industrial Engineering Global Experience Fund. I would especially like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Friel for giving me this opportunity to essentially travel the world. And although I only went to Hong Kong, I was able to meet students from all different types of cultures and backgrounds from all across the world, essentially. And I've managed to make a couple lifelong friends, as we're still in contact even a year after the study abroad program has ended. Going forward, I would really like to pay it back to the community, to essentially just inform people about this opportunity and how much, in my experience, this opportunity has changed me. Thank you.
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 Hello. I want to say thank you for honoring me with this scholarship. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. It really means a lot. It really does. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Allie Hanlon, and I just wanted to say thank you for your generosity from myself and from all the students in the School of Industrial Engineering.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anish Singh, and I'm a junior studying industrial engineering, and I'd like to thank all the donors for their contributions and the help they've been able to give to students like me. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello. I just wanted to give a huge thanks to all of the donors for the James Barony Award. I feel so grateful to have received this honor. I feel so lucky to go to Purdue and study in the top 2 industrial undergraduate program in the country. So thank you. Purdue has shaped me in the most tremendous ways. I am so excited to go out in the world and make a difference and an impact with my career, and I really couldn't do that without your generosity and your help. So thank you. I will make the most of it here at Purdue, and I hope to pay it forward in the future.
I'd like to extend my personal congratulations to everyone recognized today. We have so much to be proud of in our school, and it's good to take a moment now and then to celebrate. But mostly, I'd like to thank all of you for joining us today as we celebrate the success of our industrial engineering students, faculty, and staff. Thank you, and please stay safe. We hope to see you on campus soon. Hail Purdue.